PVL All Filipino Conference 2026 magsisimula na ngayong araw. Opening day, ating pag-usapan, Galleries versus Signal, Akari Chargers versus Chocomucho. Bigyan natin ng preview ang magiging laban. Ibigay din natin ang full line-up ng ibang team sa PVL AFC 2026. Kaya tapusin niyo ang video. Complete full game schedule ng iba't ibang team sa PVL AFC atin din ibibigay sa videong ito. At Signal Men's Division hindi rin mag-e-entry sa paparating na Spiker Store at other valuable updates. Kaya before that guys, please naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, comment, and subscribe and pa-hit the notification bell for more Philippines valuable updates. Maraming salamat sa support. Well, ngayong araw nga mag-uumpisa o opening day ng PVL All Filipino Conference 2026 kung saan 10 teams ang maghaharap-harap. At ngayon yung opening day, ibibigay natin ang preview ng apat na teams na maglalaban-laban sa opening day. At syempre, ay pang update, especially ang full line-up o roster ng ibang team at ang kanilang schedule, complete schedule nila ngayon sa PVL AFC 2026 atin ang simulan. Okay, credit natin sa Volleyball PH feed ang ibang pictures. Maraming salamat. I-clarify lang po natin, hindi pa pala to full schedule dahil may ilang hindi pa pinopost ang management ng PVL. Ito ay partial schedule pa lamang. Unahin natin ang NX LED. February 3, kalaban nila ang Farm Fresh. February 7, kalaban nila ang Capital One. February 14, Signal. February 19, Galleries. February 24, Akari. March 3, Chocomucho. March 7, Creamline. March 12, Sauce Coffee. At March 19, PLDT. Partial schedule naman ng Capital One. February 3, Sauce Coffee. February 7, NX LED. February 12, PLDT. February 17, Chocomucho. February 21, Creamline. February 26, Farm Fresh. March 7, Akari. March 14, Signal. At March 21, Galleries. Partial schedule naman ng Farm Fresh. NX LED sa February 3, February 10, Signal. February 14, Galleries. February 21, Sauce Coffee. February 24, Capital One. March 5, PLDT. March 10, Chocomucho. March 17, Creamline. At March 21, Akari. Partial schedule naman ng Signal Super Spikers. January 31, Galleries. February 5, Chocomucho. February 10, Farm Fresh. February 14, NX LED. February 24, PLDT. February 29, Akari. March 5, Sauce Coffee. March 14, Capital One. At March 21, Creamline. Sa Galleries Tower High Risers naman, January 31, Signal. February 7, Sauce Coffee. February 14, Farm Fresh. February 19, NX LED. February 26, Chocomucho. March 3, Creamline. March 10, PLDT. March 17, Akari. At March 21, Capital One. Sauce Coffee schedule naman February 3, Capital One. February 7, Galleries. February 12, Akari. February 17, Creamline. February 21, Farm Fresh. February 29, PLDT. March 5, Signal. March 12, NX LED. At March 19, Chocomucho. PLDT schedule naman February 5, Creamline. February 12, Capital One. February 19, Akari Chargers. February 24, Signal. February 28, Sauce Coffee. March 5, Farm Fresh. March 10, Galleries. March 14, Chocomucho. March 19, NX LED. Sa Chocomucho schedule naman, January 31, Akari. February 5, Signal. February 10, Creamline. February 17, Capital One. February 26, Galleries. March 3, NX LED. March 10, Farm Fresh. March 14, PLDT. March 19, Sauce Coffee. Akari Chargers schedule naman, January 31, Chocomucho. February 12, Sauce Coffee. February 19, PLDT. February 24, NX LED. February 28, Signal. March 7, Capital One. March 12, Creamline. March 17, Galleries. At March 21, Farm Fresh. Creamline schedule naman, February 5, PLDT. February 10, Chocomucho. February 17, Sauce Coffee. February 21, Capital One. March 3, Galleries. March 7, NX LED. March 12, Akari. March 17, Farm Fresh. At March 21, Signal Super Spikers. At narito naman ang ilan sa mga teams ang kanilang full roster ngayong PVL AFC 2026. Ito ay sa Farm Fresh Foxes. Narito naman sa team na PLDT High Speed Hitters. Ito naman ang sa team ng Sauce Coffee Thunderbells. Ito naman ang full roster ng Creamline Cool Smashers. roster ng NX led Chameleon at abangan nyo pa ang full roster ng ibang team. Kaya syempre, subscribe na at syempre narito at bigyan natin ng preview game ang magiging laban ngayong araw sa opening day ng PVL AFC 2026. Unang tapatan, Signal versus Galleries, 4 PM. Alam naman nating lahat na malakas ang Signal noon pa at syempre masusubukan ngayon ang Galleries dahil sa mga nakuha nitong recruit galing sa ibang disband team at ibang teams na napunta sa kanila. Kaya naman hindi dapat magpakampante ang Signal Super Spikers ngayon. Lalo pa napunta sa Galleries ang ilan sa mga veterans player ng PVL. Kaya naman syempre kaabang-abang ang laban na ito. At kung ating bibigyan ng prediksyon, anong team possible na manalo? 50-50 tayo ngayon dahil sa new line-up. At syempre, tiyak na iba ang first six na gagamitin ngayon sa AFC 2026. Sa magtatanong saan ba mapapanood, meron po nito sa pvl.ph live. Sa Google, meron din po sa One Sports or One Sports Plus sa cable. Meron din po sa Pilipinas Live at Signal apps. Kaya good luck to both teams. Samantalang susundan naman ang laban ng Akari versus Chocomucho 6:30 PM. Well, magandang laban to, lalong-lalo naman sa CMFT dahil nga sa malakas na recruit nila, Eya Laure. Pagbabalik sa indoor ni Cici Rondina at malalakas na recruit, especially ang setter. Kaya naman maraming komento sa social media na baka daw makapunta o makaabot ng finals or semifinals ang Chocomucho Flying Titans. Gan ba man, hindi basta-basta ang makakaharap nila dahil Akari Chargers din ang talagang kanilang makakatapat sa opening day. Well, pagbabalik ni Ivy Lacsina, ibang mga veterans recruit ng Akari Chargers ay talagang magpapasabog. Ngunit kung bibigyan natin ng prediksyon ang magiging laban na ito, I think Chocomucho ang mas angat. Lalong-lalo pa magsasama ang dalawa sa malakas na player galing sa UST na sina Cici Rondina at Eya Laure, kaya good luck na lamang. Well, opening day pa lamang ito at tiyak marami pang aabangan sa mga susunod na laban at syempre, suportahan natin ang mga bet nating teams. Kaya pa-comment dyan sa baba kung ano-anong teams ang iyong sinusuportahan. Dahil sa pagkawala ng Team Petrogas at Cherry Tigo, kaabang-abang din ang team ngayon ng NX-led Farm Fresh Sauce Coffee, Chocomucho, Akari Chargers at pagbabalik lakas ng Creamline. Kaya manabangan natin kung sino-sino rin ang kanilang gagamiting first six ngayon sa PVL AFC dahil sa pagbabalik ng iba at pagkuha ng recruit na malalakas. Kaya good luck to all teams.